This video is an overview of the data collector in Ricoh Supervisor. The first time that you log in, you are presented with information on the data sources for Data Collector. As you can see, there are no devices sending data to Data Collector at the moment, so our first task will be to add a printer. We do this by clicking on the Add Printer button. Next, we will type in the IP address or hostname of the desired printer. Data Collector will now identify the printer and populate information on the device such as model, serial number, and the time zone identified for that printer. Next, we will add a name for the printer. Verify that all of the information is correct and then click OK. The first printer has now been added. Alternatively, you can add printers by using the Scan for Printer feature. First, click on this drop-down menu and then click Scan for Printers. Next, type in an IP address range. Then click on the Find Printers button. A list of devices will be populated. Click on the printers that you are looking for and then click the Add Printers button. Next, verify that the time zone is set correctly and then click Save. The newly added devices will now appear in the Data Collector UI. You can now view the communication status for each individual device. If a device is not connected, click on the Details button to view any issues which may be occurring with the device. In this case, the data collector is not receiving data from the device using the Ricoh Productivity Tracker. You can also delete a printer by clicking on this icon and then clicking Delete. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you wish to delete this data source. Click Yes. The device will be removed and a new slot will be made available to add a new device. In the footer, you will notice various information such as the name for the data collector, the communication status for the data collector with the cloud, the current data collector version, and any available updates. And finally, the number of data sources available and in use. Learn more about Ricoh Supervisor by visiting our website.